Geminii. Jono Armstrong's Geminii. Geminii, a 3-in-1 arsenal of essential email marketing tools for beginners. All for a one-time only low price. Geminii FE, $27.95. Geminii has been created to provide huge value on the front end and will give any newbie access to the 3 most important tools that not everyone needs when they start their online business. These 3 essential tools are also included in a one-time only price that would otherwise cost you individual monthly fees. The apps include 1. Simple cloud-based autoresponder to allow users to get started with the wildly profitable email marketing business model. Features include the ability to upload their customer lists via.csv, send out unlimited email newsletters. 2. The Geminii Email Marketing Toolbox. Increase your click rates using timers, scarcity bars and buy buttons inside your emails. 3. Squeeze Page Creator with 2 customizable templates fully hosted by us with the option to download all leads generated. Training by Zeeshan will show you how each individual app works, and Jono will show you how all of the apps fit together and how to start driving traffic to your pages using Bing ads. Geminii Upgrade Offers, OTOs. Upgrade 1, Geminii Pro $47. Unlimited everything, while the FE is limited to 2 squeeze pages and only 3 features of the email toolbox. With this upgrade you get access to an additional 4 squeeze page templates plus all the features of the toolbox, including clickable GIF videos inside your emails, personalized images, self-interacting elements like yes/no buttons, user feedback satisfaction buttons, Q&As, polls, social media buttons, Google Map graphics, and many more features that will increase your clicks and sales. Upgrade 2, $67. Geminii Advanced Traffic Training. Jono will show you how to get insane traffic from AdWords using the Google Display Network and Gmail ads. It's like getting into people's email inboxes without even having an autoresponder. Upgrade 3, $97. DFY Campaigns. X7 proven high-converting campaigns from Jono's personal campaigns collection that collectively made over $50,000. These campaigns include email swipes, bonus pages plus bonuses, review videos. Upgrade 4, $197. High-ticket DFY funnel plus limitless traffic. Huge value once again here. Users get direct access to Jono's AdWords audience by placing pixels on our sales pages for the next 365 days. It doesn't stop there. They also get access to Jono's personal ads library plus access to Jono's personal auto-webinar funnel, complete with emails, follow-up emails and retargeting. Simply use Jono's ads to send to Jono's audience and cash in $880 sale from the penny clicks. Upgrade 5, $197. Resellers license plus developers license. Combine developers' rights to the software and resell rights. With developers' rights, users can train their own VI to access their apps and take charge of their campaigns. Buyers of this upsell also get to sell Geminii as if it was their own product and take away 100% commissions on the whole funnel. Geminii. Jono Armstrong's Geminii.